Cleanfield has successfully operated in bioremediation of hydrocarbons for many years. We have been operating in a number of countries in Europe, and we have, based on that, now invented a BioBox, which is a patented system that can automatically and via computers degrade almost any hydrocarbons to almost any level all over the world, sitting here in our office in Denmark, supervising, controlling, gathering information, and do a lot of research and reporting at the same time. When the BioBox needs water for mixing the cocktail, water is pumped from the groundwater or from the pond next to the BioBox. The water is analyzed, and if the quality is good enough, it is pushed forward in the process. If not, unwanted components are removed. Sensors from the biopiles are telling the system what they need, and depending on those data, the water will be enriched with oxygen, with bacteria, nutrients, or any other components before it reaches the holding tank for next injection. Depending on what we need from the piles, we are mixing the biococktail from a long range of recipes. Water is queued up in different tanks for injections. When the BioBox has been installed, we have access to the PLC, the computer, and by that we can have an overview of the whole system. All data will be accessible and transferred using the internet to our central office, where engineers can supervise and control any process in any system anywhere in the world. It is very important that the BioBox is based on reuse of all resources in the system. That means we are reusing the water, the nutrients, the bacteria, and the BioBox itself. So after installation and finishing and completing a job, we can, with very easy tools, remove the box to a new place and install it, and it will function within a few days. We can remediate a large amount of soil. That means from 300,000 to 500,000 tons at one time. We can decrease the time of remediation by more than 50% compared to traditional systems. The system is fully automated, so whenever data is coming in, the computer knows exactly what recipes has to be mixed and injected. Under permanent 24/7 process control, that means sensors built in all over the system are telling the computer the exact condition of the degradation, so we know exactly what is going on and we can take action immediately. Safety plans, that means alerts, alarms, supervision, malfunction, and so on, are all built into the system. All activities in the system are documented automatically. The supervisor can send reports to the client or to the technical staff, so they know exactly what to do next. I have a slogan for you in the end. Restoring nature's order.